I'm going to start letting them in. Iris, what's her last name? I saw her on the docket. Iris Lazama Hernandez is here as well. That's a trial. I don't know if she needs an interpreter or not. Is that Miss Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the on the iPhone.
Señora Iris.
Lazama Hernandez.
I'm here.
Do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
No, I do not.
Very well. Good morning. Your matter is set for trial. I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you in with the lawyer. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, okay?
Sounds good.
I'm here, Your Honor. I was the officer on that case.
Very well. Well, that makes it a little simpler. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Great. Maybe not a little simpler for Ms. Hernandez, but definitely makes it a little simpler for us. Take his headgear.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. Please remove your headgear.
It's the only way I can hear it.
No, not headgear like that. Cat scarves and do-rags.
It's the
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps or caps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Buenos días. Esta corte entra en sesión con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Por favor, mientras que la sesión esté, la corte esté en sesión, manténgase en un solo sitio sin moverse de un lado a otro. No se permite estar comiendo, ni fumando, ni tomando, ni comiendo. Por favor, quítese cualquier tipo de cobertura en su cabeza, como gorras y esas cosas, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Por favor, esté en todo momento bien vestido y bien comportado, sin camisetas ni escotes. Gracias, bienvenidos a la corte del juez Perkins que entra en sesión.
Okay, Mr. Greason, you have to take the tape. Does that do-rag you have on? Okay, thank you. All right,
Gracias.
Good morning, everyone.
Buenos días a todos.
All right, what I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días, yo voy a tratar de hacer esto de la manera más eficiente y rápida posible y los voy a estar llamando dentro de lo que es posible, en orden que ustedes se registraron.
All right, Mr. Esteban, good morning to you.
Señor Esteban, buenos días.
Esteban?
Señor Esteban, is that Coronado Esteban, Your Honor?
That would be, and I don't think he's here. I think he's not on now. He fell off.
Okay.
That was, I have I know, Esteban. All right. Miss Williams Law, are we ready to go?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Buenos días, Your Honor. Good morning. Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Elmer Gomez Ayala, case number SP 183-7189, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guzman Ayala.
He needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Yes.
Where is he at?
He is on the second page, show cause, down toward the bottom, 845. Guzman Ayala.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, thank you, Your Honor, contra el señor Elmer Guzmán Ayala, número de caso SP 183-7189, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Edward Berry Jr., su señoría, representando al acusado. Señor Guzmán Ayala, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mr. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, abogado que desea ser su representado.
The defendant would stand mute, Your Honor.
Su señoría, el acusado va a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Guzman Ayala. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Guzmán Ayala, voy a poner voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y poner una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta que si no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta número 2. Is he there?
Sure.
Señor.
Join the room, please. Oh, he's in there.
Yeah,
he's
okay,
in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Diamond Gracie, case number SP 183-7448, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Gracie. Please state your name for the record.
Is Diamond Gracie there? You're going to have to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
I'm sorry. Diamond Gracie.
You got to start your camera, Miss. You got to be ready for court, all right? Everybody's got to be ready for court, properly dressed.
Okay.
Sitting up. Sarah, I'm going to put, and I have to see who you are, man. All right, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. Miss Harris, this is no expired plates, no insurance misdemeanor, and a no ops. Miss Gracie, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. Her license is valid. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Your client is here, Miss. Your client is here, Miss Barrett.
Okay, can you put us in a breakout room? Or what breakout room you gonna put them in?
5.
Okay. All right,
Mr.
thanks. And your process. Okay, thanks.
Oviato, Jorge,
Yes, good morning.
good morning. Do you need an interpreter?
No.
All right, when you come back and when you call your name, we're going to have to turn your camera on. So be properly attired and ready, sitting up ready for court. All right. Put you in a
All right.
breakout room. Barrett. She's going to talk to you. She's your attorney.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Meyer, how can I help you?
Samuel LaSure.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good
This
morning.
is the city of Detroit versus Samuel James LaSure Jr. Case number SP 179-07481. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Samuel LaShore.
All right. Day is date and time set for a review. Today, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. LaSure. You paid. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You know you still owe the court that 198 for the other ticket, but that's between you and the court, right? Cashier, all right?
Yeah, okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Tomorrow is the 3rd, so we're just gonna do it early.
Looks like a light morning in here today, Judge.
Don't say that. You're gonna make it go longer.
Oh.
We try not to say that, but it does look like. But it'll be one of those days where we're here till 2 o'clock. I know everybody doesn't want, but it happens like that sometimes.
This happens like that.
It just happens like that.
More, let's see here. There's
I'm
28
gonna-
bricks. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna do the best I can to make it go by quickly.
You're at Linton?
Pardon me?
Yes, they're at Linton. He's a defendant who's a capiast, and I can just handle I think he has a lot of tickets. Prosecutor will probably need to prepare. We should just reschedule this, give the prosecutor time to prepare an offer, I guess, because he's not on the docket.
Who is that?
Zero Linton. I told him to just check in and the court would handle his case or
Oh, really? Oh,
direct
so
him.
he, let's see.
Yes,
Let's
I'm
see.
appointed on his case.
All right, let's see what we have here. City of Detroit versus Zara Linton, case number ST 5381. SP 1339642, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 136008111. SP 1360487. SP 1378278. Strike that. SP 136048771. SP 1378278. SP 1518636. SP, all right, somebody's got an interference. SP 1801049, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1801051, counts 1 and counts 2. U 63558122. U 6460522. 22358167, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Derek Linton.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Linton. Actually,
Good
today is
morning.
not the time set for an arraignment. Is a warrant status. For purposes of arraignment on the warrants, Mr. Soroki.
Your Honor, defendant waives a full reading, stands mute at this time.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Is this your first time meeting Mr. Linton?
Yes, well, I've spoken to him before, but a couple times, but basically this is our first time in court together, I think. We had a prior hearing that on the December 22nd, then on January 20th, and resulted in a capias.
All right, Mr. Linton, I can't keep having you miss court dates, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, but they never informed me that your courtroom changed or the Zoom number. I came and I have proof that I came to the court. Your original old court Zoom numbers. I have proof that I came to them court hearings and to show that I stayed on there for hours and nobody contacted me and told me nothing changed.
He did send me a text showing a picture of him in a waiting room for 434.
All right. I apologize for you having to sit there that long. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki. You guys can talk for a minute and figure something out. And then I don't know if you'll get you an updated offer or not now.
Your Honor, if we could just have another court date and then prosecutor get us an offer, and we'll have an offer next time we come to court. And if you could email to me the docket for today. There's so many tickets on here.
Do you have he's not on the docket today, so.
Oh, that's right. It's right. I have the register of actions. That's fine. No problem.
All right. Do you both have each other's contact information?
Yes. We have each other's contact. I'm the one that got him back into court.
All right. Come back, Mr. Linton, on February the 13th at 8:30, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye, Zoom, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
You can still have Ray Lake. He's not, you got to check back in.
That's right. Okay, I'll check back in an hour, sir.
Very well.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Guzman Ayala. Mr. Guzman Ayala, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Guzmán Ayala. Señor Guzmán Ayala, déle la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea ser su representado? Mr. Berry, you are mute.
Mr. Berry?
My apologies, Your Honor. My client will avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, disculpe, tenía el micrófono cerrado. Mi cliente quiere tomar la oferta de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía de declararse culpable del ticket enmendado de permitir que alguien sin licencia manejara y pagar la multa.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha para ser juramentado?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Está bien, señor, puede bajar su mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, su abogado, el señor Berry, le explicó cuáles eran sus derechos, ¿verdad?
Así es. Sí.
Yeah, that's right, yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende, señor, que tomando este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí, que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido a usted alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Draw your attention back to December the 2nd, 2025 at around 7:21 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Desmond and Casgrain. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día y el lugar de los hechos, que fue el 2 de diciembre del 2025, a las 7:21 de la mañana en las inmediaciones de la calle Desmond y Casgrain en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo para usted un policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar?
Porque no tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing with the stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
Está bien, abogado, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su cliente culpable del cargo disminuido, reducido, enmendado a que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y después de que usted, abogado, haga las estipulaciones de la causa probable, entonces yo voy a quitarle el otro cargo.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, $240 I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Guzman?
Está bien, señor. La multa es $240 y yo voy a desestimar su caso después de que usted lo pague. ¿Cuándo puede pagar, señor Guzmán?
Pues lo más pronto posible.
Bueno,
Solo-
¿usted es el que dice?
Solamente que me diga dónde puedo pagar y pago.
I will pay as soon as possible. Just tell me where and how can I pay, and I will pay it.
You can come down to the courthouse and pay it, or you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on, or you can come on down to the courthouse.
Señor, usted puede pagarlo en persona viniendo a la Corte 36 de Distrito y pagar en la taquilla. Puede hacerlo en cualquiera de los kioscos DivDat que están alrededor de la ciudad donde se pagan los servicios, o usted puede bajar la aplicación de esos kioscos en su teléfono y pagarlo por teléfono.
Lo que pasa es que no tengo cuenta para pagar, o sea, no tengo tarjeta.
Okay, I don't have a card to pay that.
Well, you have the kiosk. You can upload DivDat kiosk to your phone, DIVDAT.
Usted puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono, DIV pequeña, DIDAT, o puede ir en persona a pagarlo.
Puedo ir a la oficina, me es más fácil.
I will go in person to pay. That's easier for me.
And what day?
¿Cuándo puede pagarlo, señor? ¿Cuándo puede venir a pagarlo?
¿Puedo ir hoy?
Can I go today?
You can come today.
Sí, puede venir hoy a la Corte 36.
If you just bring your receipt up to the courtroom and we can dismiss the case.
Señor, cuando venga a pagar, tienen que darle un recibo. Entonces suba a la Corte 535, toque la puerta y enséñale el recibo a la persona para que le quiten, para que cierren su caso inmediatamente.
Allí mismo en la oficina.
La oficina no es la corte.
Oh.
Here in the office is not an office, it's the courthouse.
Does he understand what's going on?
Señor, entiende, tiene que ir a la corte, al edificio de la corte. Esto no es una oficina, es una corte. La Corte 36 de Distrito en la calle Madison. Ahí está la dirección en donde usted tiene que ir ahí.
Sí,
¿no?
para
La
pagar.
oficina. Ajá, y ahí paga en el primer piso en donde le digan que puede pagar y después sube el ascensor a la Corte 535, que es donde y le enseña el recibo y ellos inmediatamente.
Ok.
Ok, ¿entendió?
Sí.
Sí, okay, he understood, Your Honor. I told him, you go to the court, you go to the window and you pay. After you pay, you take the elevator, go to 535, you knock, and whoever answers the phone, the door, you show them the receipt and they will close your matter.
Thank you.
Okay, you understood.
Have a great day, sir.
Está bien, señor, que tenga muy buen día, se puede retirar.
Gracias, igualmente, buen día para
Thank you, same for you. Thank you very much for your help.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Hernandez and Mr. Berry versus Eden Lopez, case number SP 183-4050, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, señor Hernández, señor Berry, este es con ustedes. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eden Herrera López, número de caso SP 183-4050, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your name, sir.
Ed Woodbury Jr., representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Bueno, tío, mi nombre es Eden Herrera López.
Good morning, my name is Eden Herrera López.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Está bien, señor. Es el día y la hora agendada para la consulta previa al juicio. Yo, por favor, le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the
Está bien,
room.
gracias.
Señor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada.
Ok.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Diamond Gracie. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, she was able to present valid documentation.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, Ms. Gracie, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay? Where's Ms. Gracie?
Your Honor, Your Honor.
This is why we cannot. Go ahead, Ms. Gracie. The cases are dismissed. Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamari A. Jashawn Lawrence. Strike that. It's the state of Michigan versus Jamari A. Jashawn Lawrence. Case number SX46133324. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Mathis.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jamari A.J. Sean Lawrence.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a show cause, purpose of arraignment. Ms. Mathis. Ms. Harris, I'm sorry.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
What, I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. He has also, good morning to you, Mr. Lawrence. He has also an accident ticket. I don't have any issue with setting the matter aside. If the city has no objection, it's a civil infraction. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lawrence, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Miguel Lopez.
Good morning.
Good morning. Necesitas interpreter?
Maybe, I'm not sure.
All right. What is your full name, sir?
My name is Miguel David Lopez Chavez.
Give me a minute, please. Run that license, Ms. Marks. Yes. Is that Officer Walsh? Yes.
I'm about to grab.
Yes, sir. Dr. Walsh.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. I'm gonna put all the officers, I'll open up the breakout room. You don't necessarily have to join it, but officers, I'll put you in one. You're more than welcome to wait in the main session if you choose. Talk like this. Run his license, please. Get probation down here. Probation down here for her. Is that license good for Lawrence? Probation for Hernandez. I imagine she has some kind of attorney, I guess. See if it's something in the file.
Passed away.
No, it's his dad. He's getting older, yeah. So tomorrow.
Check. You said so tomorrow. What you want to do tomorrow?
I need to take the tape off. I have to do something. I'm gonna find out what time it is. What does the doctor look like tomorrow?
Kind of snowed up this week a little. I'm running in just a second.
Ed Taylor.
Ed Taylor is the attorney. Hey Sam, this is Mary from the Business Practice. Zoom in.
We'll just find out how she's doing.
Give this case number. Last name is Piper.
All right, no Ray Lake yet.
I'll send him a text, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well.
Email me or call back.
Can we call Miss Horn? Give Miss Horn in here, please.
I will, Judge.
Thank you. She's written the offers though. I don't know.
Did she email them?
She emailed them to me. I don't know if they got the offers. Miss Ori, good morning to you. You have to unmute yourself now.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Ori.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Good morning.
Have valid insurance?
No, I don't. My insurance had just left and I lost my job. I'm out with a broken ankle, so that's when it had left. I'm currently not working, so that's why I wasn't able to pay it. It had just left.
All right, I'll get you to speak with an attorney.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins.
In the phones and they shouldn't have been.
Yes, good morning to you.
Judge might took her.
Yes, good morning. Is it possible that I can get my case handled? Because my daughter has an appointment in 30 minutes.
No, we'll see.
My last name is Lee.
Gotta turn your camera on when you're talking, please. I gotta see
I'm
who's.
sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, let's see what you
Well,
have.
it's the same. It's the. I'm a call IT.
Yeah,
Because the phone ring, judge is supposed to see coming through.
all right.
Come
Miss Lee, you're not supposed to be here.
We wouldn't know that.
Well, I do see you a show cause today.
Yes, I just had a court hearing with you last week.
I'm a call IT.
You said that I had to come down and make payment arrangements.
And you have some more cases. You never
For
made
the-
the payment. That is the payment arrangements are today are for the 23rd. You have to get into some sort of pay it off or get into some kind of arrangements before the 23rd for those two cases that you had in review. And you have this run her driver's license, please.
Okay.
Have the other 3 cases today.
Yes, I
That
have for my the license plate and the insurance, which I have valid license plate and insurance and registration, but I plan to make a payment this week.
All right, you have valid insurance and plates,
Yes, I do.
and you can prove it, you can show it to the court?
Yes, I can.
All right, run her license, please.
Yeah, his phone number is the courtroom. 535, basically.
Okay, so I can tell anybody 5535 is my number.
Yeah, for most of it. Yes, they're not gonna be able to call you directly from outside, because I could call you, but let's try to call, because I tried to call.
Run her license record,
Okay.
please.
I don't have license, but I have my insurance and plates.
That's the problem, so that's the problem. So that's the problem.
Yes, I'm working on getting my license, but I told you last week that I'm going through another case within Wayne County, so it's kind of hard for me to get my license right now.
All right, well, you have to wait. I'll try to get you out of here as soon as I can. She doesn't have a license, so you don't have to run it.
Oh, okay. Let me just do it one time. It's not, it didn't come out.
Yeah, I'm twin.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Did you call Douglas Green yet?
No, Mr. Green, and I'm not gonna call you until you put a proper attire on. I'm calling them in the order that you came in, and unfortunately, you were the last person to come in. So good morning to you.
Good morning. My apologies. I just got out of another Zoom court meeting on a criminal matter, so I was just a little late.
I hope you weren't dressed like that.
No, I was in the middle of changing. I'm sorry.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Is it ringing? Judge, is it ringing?
No, it's not.
It
It's
didn't
not.
ring?
I didn't see it here ring. Yeah, it's ringing now.
So like, if you wanted to call a judge, normally.
Mr. Green said he was in the middle of.
He was in the middle of changing.
Normally, it would be, your number is the same as this one, you just got a 4. So you can call your colleagues by just putting a 4.
All right.
Okay, here you go. You can just talk to them directly. You don't have to go through the clerk.
Mr. Green said he just got out of court, but he has been in the middle of changing. He just got out of court, now he's coming in here with a white tee on. That's a good one, Mr. Green.
He has another white t-shirt on.
That's cool. Now he had a tank top. Where's Mr. What I mean about mentioning is a small docket. Mr. Shiroki said that.
What do you mean, for today?
Yeah. Now we're just sitting there waiting. Text Ms. Horn.
Did you text her?
Yeah, she said she was.
She's probably coming in.
Hey, good morning, Judge. I am supposed to see you today, right? Because I talked to you I talked to you in the last court, but I'm not sure if I have the right date.
Good morning to you. Everybody that's here. Yeah. Do you let me run his driver's license, Casey Gage.
Yeah.
Do you have valid insurance?
Yep. Everything all set. I got it all right in front of me.
License is valid?
Yep. I have the documentation showing the actual reinstatement and everything.
Say less. Run his license, please. I'm not asking everybody whether your license was valid at the time. I don't want you to answer that. I'm asking you if the license is valid
now.
as of right
Yes.
now. As of right now, because if you tell me your license wasn't valid at the time, then you're basically telling on yourself. I don't want you to tell on yourself. I want to know whether it's valid now. I don't know whether it was valid then or not. That's up to the city to prove that. His license. Let's see. It's down. Let's see the insurance, Mr. Gage.
Okay, let me get to the best what's the name. Okay, this is for, I don't know if you can see that, Judge, for Dodge Charger.
Back it up a little bit. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Casey Lamar Gage. Case number SP 1820548, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Gage, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. You can back it off. I've seen it now.
Okay, Casey Lamar Gage.
All right, good morning to you. There's date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. All right.
Do I owe anything to the courts, Judge?
No.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
If anybody else has some valid documentation, let me know, please. It's almost text, please, Miss Mathis, you please.
I just texted her again, Judge.
Yeah, but Miss Mathis, text her too, please.
She said,
It's almost 10 o'clock.
she said, I'm coming on the record on OWI case.
You do.
Still on this side?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Man,
I need to get prosecutors.
You know, we did. Remember the young lady that came in here about
Yeah, but
2 weeks ago, introduced herself?
yeah, but she's still not. It's like every
still
courtroom,
not.
every courtroom to respect all the
I
rules.
forgot her
even to
name.
respect.
She's new. She just came in here about a couple
But
of weeks. Person
her,
over here.
her presence is still,
Adams.
her presence is still not gonna make a difference.
Mhm.
She's just one person.
Right.
We got 30, how many traffic courtrooms? Every traffic courtroom should have their own prosecutor.
Right.
That's gonna even go in harmony with my job, allowing me to get free for lunch and things like that. It's gonna make a big difference. So we can move on. Here, no one person is gonna be like that. You working too good.
Ain't you done with this?
Hello, Judge Perkins. This is Jaden Lyons, and I just wanted to know if my number was called yet. I had my video camera on.
Good morning to you. No, yours hasn't been called yet.
Okay.
Please be patient, Mr. Lyons.
I will. I will.
Everybody's here. I got everybody checked in, and we're just waiting on the city attorney now. Mr. Soroki jinxed us.
I was like, right.
I'm gonna say that.
The eyesight. I was like,
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Everybody, listen, I have everybody checked in. We're waiting on the city attorney. I'm going in the order that you came. See who gets out of here. What did Ms. Horn say?
Let's see.
Nope.
All right, good morning, Ms. Horn. Good morning, Attorney Taylor. Attorney Taylor.
Good morning.
I'm gonna put
Good morning,
you
y'all.
and your client in the breakout room. Ms. Hernandez, Mr. Taylor's here. Go in there and speak. The officer is here, at least for for the OWI ticket. Mr. Taylor, did you talk to your client?
I did, Your Honor.
You went out.
Trial.
I'm about to like squirrel. I don't have some kids that didn't see. We can take us fishing too. Me and my sister. We used to go.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, Ms. Harris, you got a deal for responsible for limited access 1 to 5.
Yes, Your Honor, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lawrence?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Lawrence?
In a week.
All right, pay it by February 13th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk. Great, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, Mr. Lawrence, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
I have one question, Your Honor. What did you say that app was again?
DivDat, DIVDAT.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Welcome, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Janiqua Lee, case number SP1836147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, is it just the one matter that's on the docket?
Actually, I'm sorry, no insurance and an expired plate in default.
Thank you.
And no license. On the iPhone, pass the matter. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name?
Ray Lake.
All right, Mr. Soroki, are you there? Good morning to you, Mr. Lake.
Good morning.
Mr. Soroki?
Vacation goes to a hot climate.
Oh, shoot, I need to move.
I mean, until you do that.
Move to Arizona. It's good out there.
Yeah, they have water issues. Thank you.
Your Honor, can we put me and Mr. Lake in a breakout room, please? Thank you. And I need an offer.
Well, you have to go to the city for the offer.
I'll get it. Thank you.
I'm gonna put you in set. You can move around, Mr. Soroki. I thought I gave you the,
I think I had logged off and logged back on. Thank you. Let me see if I find it, Tamika.
4.
It's November 24, 2003, and my
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to counsel, you want a pre-trial date?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Pre-trial date is going to be February the 13th, 2026 at 8:30. All right, Ms. Lee?
Yes, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Martin Greason II, case number SP 1829478, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 183-16061. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Martin Greason.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial Mr. Greason, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do. Come out, please. Let's pass the matter.
Just the matters on the docket.
Yes.
Have we checked the status of the license? Sorry.
Revote.
Thank you.
Will you run her license, please, Ms. Mathis?
Pretty much everybody in town.
Hmm?
I said pretty much everybody in town.
Yeah, we're waiting on. No, thank you. Denise Green. Denise Leslie. Hold on. I got the wrong, that first one's the wrong one. What's Mr. Lopez want to do, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, he'd enter a plea to the dealer plate charge that is improper plates for that particular charge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates to me that you want to plead to the improper plate.
Señor López, vamos ahora a que conste en el acta con el caso del señor López. Señor López, me dice su abogado que usted quiere declararse y tomar el acuerdo de que usted se quiere declarar de que tenía unas placas inapropiadas, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
I raise your right hand, please.
Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Está bien, señor. Puede bajar su mano.
Ok, gracias.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Señor, ¿y usted entiende que usted tiene el absoluto derecho a ir a juicio si lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada, su abogado, el señor Berry, le explicó todos sus derechos constitucionales, ¿no es así?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you put those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, someone can't be answering for you.
Señor, alguien no puede estar respondiendo por usted. Tiene que ser usted que responda.
Perfecto. Gracias.
Perfect. Thank you.
You understand something, you ask your attorney or you ask the court, all right?
Si usted no entiende algo, usted le pregunta al abogado o le pregunta al juez.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ofreció a usted algo aparte de lo que ya ha estado, que hemos hablado y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November 23rd, 2025 at around 8:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Verner and Lansing Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Thank you.
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día y al lugar de los hechos y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 23 de noviembre del 2025 a las 8:01 de la noche en las inmediaciones de la calle Vernon y Lansing en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar lo paró usted un oficial de policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you, this vehicle that you were operating, did it have some kind of transit plate on there?
Y el vehículo que usted estaba manejando llevaba unas placas que eran de tránsito.
Sí.
Yes.
And you were not using that transit plate for the purposes that it's for you're not a dealer, are you?
Y usted no es un dealer, ¿verdad?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Abogado, ¿está satisfecho? Sí, su señoría.
And you weren't transporting that vehicle from one place to the other for the person who has that, the owner of that plate. Are you, you were using that vehicle for personal reasons?
Y usted está usando ese vehículo para, por razones personales. No era que lo estaba llevando del dealer a un lugar, al lugar del dueño.
Sí, por razones personales.
Yeah, personal reasons, Your Honor.
And find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. Stipulate the cause will dismiss the other two matters.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces, señor abogado, a su representado responsable, culpable de el ticket enmendado que tenía las placas inapropiadas, y después que usted establezca la causa probable, pues voy a entonces, que usted haga las estipulaciones debidas, voy a desestimar los otros dos casos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Gracias.
Estipulado, su señoría.
$240, sir. When can you pay it?
Señor, $240. ¿Cuándo los puede pagar?
Ahorita.
Right now.
All right, you're either gonna have to pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back on Friday on February 13th. Friday on February 6th. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case.
Señor, está bien. Los dos mejores alternativas que le doy para pagar es que venga en persona a la corte, o que baje la aplicación de los kioscos DivDat en su teléfono y lo pague por teléfono, o lo pague en los kioscos. Esas son las dos mejores formas que le doy para pagar, y tiene que volverse a conectar el día viernes 6 de febrero, o sea, este viernes.
Perfecto.
Con la certificación de que pagó, y entonces ya le cierre el caso.
Perfecto.
Con el mismo número de hoy. By Zoom, Your Honor, right?
Yes.
Sí, señor, por Zoom, con el mismo número de Zoom de hoy, with the same number.
Ok, perfecto.
Con el recibo.
Ok. Gracias.
Ok. Thank you. Ya se puede desconectar.
Have a great day,
Ok,
sir.
gracias.
Señor, que
Thank you,
tenga
sir.
excelente día.
You too.
All right, Ms.
Se puede
Hernandez,
desconectar.
this is the city of
Sorry, Your Honor.
Detroit. Miguel David Lopez Chavez, case number SP 183-50181. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Miguel López Chávez, número de caso SP 183-50-18-1. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que estén en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mr.
Señor
Lopez
López
Chavez.
Chávez.
My
I
bad.
don't know where
I'm here.
Unmute yourself, state your name for the record, please.
Por
Miguel
favor,
David
haga su micrófono.
Lopez Chavez.
Okay, it looks like he doesn't need interpreter, Your Honor.
Well, it has interpreter in here. He says he doesn't know, so go ahead, Miss. Wait until.
Señor. Usted dijo que usted no sabía si necesitaba intérprete o no, entonces ya tiene un intérprete. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Miguel David Lopez Chavez.
Miguel David López Chávez.
All right, Mr. Berry, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in the break room, Mr. Lopez Chavez, with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right, thank you.
Señor, lo van a mandar para una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, y es el día y la hora establecido para la consulta previa a juicio. Él le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio.
Okay, Miss Green, I'm about to put you out the room if you keep on having I don't need to hear your frustration or your commentary or anything. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Martin Greason. Mr. Greason, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take he's in the room, Mr. Berry and Mr. Hernandez. You want the 1 to 5 limited access?
Mr. Greason, are you admitting responsibility?
Yes.
All right. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and we stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, very well. Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Greason, when can you pay it?
Need just give me a month, please.
Pay it by March the 6th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
How much is it, sir? Okay.
$25.
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Gore, case number SP 1822359, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1822367, SP 8888841, SP 9847701. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gore, please state your name for the record.
Andre Gore, are you there?
Yes.
All right, good morning.
Yes.
So you state your record, sir. You have to state your name for the record, Mr. Gore. I think his volume is something going on with his thing. Put you in a breakout room, see if Mr. Harris can help you figure it out. He did mouth his name, but it didn't come through. Put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, and we'll pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, are you ready on Lake?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ray Andrew Lake. Case number U7229045. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir? Mr. Lake?
I'm sorry, Ray Andrew Lake Jr.
Turn your camera on, sir.
Okay.
And today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Lake want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lake wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution to a plea to a 3-month delayed sentence on the disorderly conduct ticket.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lake?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hands down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 21st, way back to 2020, Mr. Soroki.
2020. Your Honor, I'm sorry. This was a new. I didn't realize the ticket was back to 2020.
Wait a minute. It may be have entered into the system wrong.
Yeah, that was this year.
Yeah, they have it entered in the system at 2020. It's really 9/21/2025 at around 2:58 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Beauvais and Lafayette. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And were you out there trying to fight somebody, sir?
Your Honor, that's a tough question to answer.
Well, then you need to speak to Mr. Soroki again. If you, that's what they allege. It says here, Mr. Soroki, the allegation is being disorderly and trying to fight security in the Greektown lobby. So that's what the officer wrote. It's not on Mr. Lake to unless he wants to take the deal, you have to make an active factual basis, but it's on the city to prove that allegation. Now, otherwise of being disorderly, it could be you could be still being disorderly without having a fight either. But you can speak to Mr. Soroki again, and you guys can talk it over. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, rejoin the room, please. I'm gonna put them in another room just to make it simpler. All right,
Thank you.
Mr. Taylor, are you ready on your client?
I am, Your Honor. Ms. Hernandez is gonna make the deal. She's gonna take the deal, Your Honor.
Spoken with your client?
I have.
It's the city of Detroit versus Iris Lazama Hernandez, case number SP 180-65051, Z809-8501. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166. Ms. Hernandez, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, it's Arrayes Lazama Hernandez.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Let me try to get Scott now. Officer Mark, both officers here, Minyard was here and Sergeant Scott is here. Is my understanding you want to take a deal, ma'am?
I'm taking a plea.
You're gonna plea?
Yeah, what's the plea again?
I don't know.
It's impaired. It's impaired, and the insurance ticket will be dismissed, like we discussed, Ms. Hernandez.
Yes, sir. That's what I meant.
Yes.
Operating while visibly impaired?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I understand that, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yep.
Mr. Taylor went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
And you understood those rights?
I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No questions at all.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I understand that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, I haven't talked to no one else.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October 17th, 2025 at around 3:36 a.m. in the city of Detroit and Verner Highway in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Are you in this motor vehicle? Are you driving this motor vehicle doing donuts in the middle of Livernois?
No, that's what he was saying, Your Honor, that I was spinning around, but I didn't have any gas. I was parked in a parking lot when he found me. So I don't know where he saw me spinning around.
Wait a minute. I didn't ask you what you were doing when he found you.
Okay. No, I wasn't doing donuts.
Ma'am, please be quiet. Were you doing donuts in the middle of Livernois? What kind of vehicle were you driving?
I have a BMW. It wasn't even working.
I'm asking you a question.
I
You were
said
driving
no.
you were driving a BMW, correct?
Yes.
And were you doing donuts in the middle of Livernois while you're driving that BMW?
No.
Okay. Do you have Sergeant Rios? Do you have state your name, badge number, department for the record for me, please?
I'm Sergeant David Rios, badge S258.
All right. Is there any video for this?
Yes, there's body cam and in-car video
Yeah.
showing the activity prior to being investigated. If you'd like a brief summary, I can provide you one.
No, I'm reading the police report. Is there any evidence of Miss Rios or this BMW doing donuts in the center of Livernois?
There was a helicopter following her vehicle and followed it to a stop. She was the sole occupant of the vehicle.
Is my question. Is there any video evidence of this vehicle doing donuts in the middle of Livernois?
No, we didn't have eyes on it with a in-car video at that time.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303, we can, Mr. Taylor would like to, we can go back and have an opportunity to get that information. I don't think we've exchanged all of that.
No,
well, she's taking a plea, so I'm just reading the report.
I've spoken with my client, Your Honor. I think that's an error. I think that was a mistake.
I don't know. Of course, she's probably going to say it's a mistake.
And for the record, I do have Officer
Minyard.
Yeah, Maynard been communicating as well, Your Honor.
All right. Did you have some alcohol prior to or during the operation of this motor vehicle, ma'am?
I did, sir, Your Honor.
And how much alcohol did you have?
I had a few maybe like a few beers, over 2.
Will you stipulate to the what's this data master result for the purposes of this sentencing, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
For this plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I stipulate.
Would you say, ma'am, that the alcohol you consumed affected your ability to properly operate this motor vehicle?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. It's possible.
What do you mean it's possible?
Well, I didn't go into a car accident. I really was just parked, so I don't know what could, I mean.
Miss Hernandez.
Yes.
Just take the
yes.
plea and no
Yes.
commentary.
All right, that's it. She keeps saying she was parked. Now we're going to bring in the other officer. Now we're going to bring in the other officer because the allegation suggests, and I was going to let it go, but you continue to, you don't seem to be accepting responsibility. You don't seem to be accepting responsibility. You're trying to make the court just believe that you were parked at the gas station. You've already told the court that you couldn't have been doing the donuts because something was wrong with your vehicle. And while you did admit to having alcohol, your levels were more than it would be for just a couple of beers.
Okay. I took like a shot, an oatmeal cookie, a milk shot too.
You need to close your mouth, ma'am.
Okay.
You need to close your mouth. I'm not asking you any more questions. I'm gonna see what this air support officer says that he thought you were doing. We're gonna put this up for another day.
Okay.
When can we get this officer in here?
Officer Maynard?
No, is he the one driving flying the helicopter?
That I'm not sure, right? Yeah,
All right.
yes, Your Honor.
Because I want to know what he says he saw on this helicopter, because he's got some very detailed notes that this car was driving at a high rate of speed. The vehicle was driving with his flasher lights on. Air support was notified. Air observed the vehicle doing donuts in the middle of Livernois. It drove south and parked at the above address, which I'm guessing that would be the gas station that she indicates she was at. All right, so you got some more to say now, ma'am?
No,
Or are you
it
gonna
wasn't
keep your
yet.
mouth closed? All right, let's put this matter off until, can you have it by the 13th?
I think that's doable. I think that's practically, yes, Your Honor. That gives us 2 weeks almost.
Yes, come back, Sergeant Rios and Mr. Taylor, Ms. Hernandez, and Ms. Officer Maynard, come back on the trial. We'll continue this on February 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Do you have contact information for your client, Mr. Taylor?
No, Mrs. Hernandez, will you take this number down, please?
Yes, sir, I will.
313-706.
Okay.
0947. Give me a call later on this
Wait,
evening.
it didn't happen. 706, what else?
No, listen, we're not gonna do it like this. You're gonna go in the breakout room. Listen, we're not gonna do it like this. You're gonna go in the breakout room and you're gonna get there. You guys gonna exchange information. Mr. Taylor, go in the breakout room, and Ms. Hernandez, go in the breakout room. If you don't have anything for the court, you're free to leave February 13th.
Okay, and Sergeant Rios, I will, this is Tamika Horn, the prosecutor. I will send an update to you as well with the subpoena. I'll send that out today so you have it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, and I did advise Officer Maynard of the date.
He's coming in now. Okay. All right, Officer Rios, Sergeant Rios, I'm sorry. Best be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. And Officer Maynard, you want to put your name, badge number, department on the record for Hernandez?
Yes, sir. It's going to be Officer Maynard, Detroit Police Department, badge 4121.
All right, very good. Well, continue this on February 13th.
Okay,
9 a.m. Best of luck to you. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit versus Jorge Aliveda Buzam. Case number Z5. Strike that. Case number 257214731. Appearance for the record, please. I didn't get any.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Ovida Buzam. Judge, we're requesting a bench trial date.
All right, state your name for the record, sir. Please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Ovida Buzam.
All right. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Come back on February 17th at 9 a.m. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you both.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go. Are you ready, Mr. On Lake?
Yes, Your Honor. He still wishes to take the plea.
Back on the record with Lake. Go ahead, Mr. Lake. Go ahead, Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Ray Andrew Lake Jr.
All right, what's he want to do?
He wants us to accept the offer of plea to disorderly conduct with a 3-month delayed sentence, Your Honor.
Let's do it like this, Mr. Lake.
Yes, sir.
Did you do something on that day to cause a police disturbance?
Yes, sir.
And wouldn't you agree that that police disturbance disrupted the good, quiet nature of that area over there, that community over there?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll be satisfied, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied, find him guilty as charged. $240 is the fine, 3-month delayed sentence, meaning you have 3 months to pay it. Come back on March the 30th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid and you don't get any other trouble like this, then we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
Yeah, Mr. Lake, write that day down. He has to come back to court again. Is that correct, Your Honor?
If he's got it paid and doesn't get in any trouble and I see it's paid, I don't need to see him. But
Okay.
if I don't have those two conditions aren't met, then I do need to see him.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. City of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Chavez. Mr. Lopez Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Miguel López Chávez. Señor, abra su micrófono y su video, por favor. Le di la oportunidad de ir a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Por favor, señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea as to open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía de el cargo enmendado de tener un recipiente de alcohol abierto en el vehículo del pasajero.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lopez Chavez? Turn your camera on.
Señor López
I'm not going to
Chávez,
keep
por
asking.
favor, abra su micrófono. Ok, no se lo va a volver a preguntar. A decir, por favor, ¿usted desea tomar ese acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Levante su mano derecha, por favor. Ponga la cámara bien.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad? Yes.
Sí.
Put your hand down.
Baje su mano.
Please wait until after Madam Interpreter interprets, please.
Y por favor, antes de contestar, espere a que la señora intérprete interprete para que usted conteste.
Okay.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yeah.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues.
Y usted entiende, señor, que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, cualquier declaración en este tipo de delito podría tener una repercusión migratoria.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, él hizo de su conocimiento cuáles eran sus derechos constitucionales, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y
Yeah.
usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta ya en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November 29th, 2025 at around 6:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 24th and West Jefferson. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, al lugar y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 29 de noviembre del 2025 a las 6:55 en las inmediaciones de la calle número 22 y la West Jefferson en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, a esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo, señor?
Sí.
Strike that. Were you in a
Yes.
motor vehicle?
Discúlpeme, ¿estaba usted dentro de un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
¿Y en ese vehículo automotor había alguna clase de alcohol?
Sí.
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have, sir?
¿Qué tipo de alcohol era, señor?
Creo que era modelo.
I believe it was a modelo.
And was it open?
¿Y estaba abierto?
By the passenger. El pasajero, sí. Pues sí es.
Yes, it was the passenger, but yes, it was open.
There was still alcohol in the container, correct?
¿Y todavía dentro del recipiente había alcohol?
Sí.
Yes.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger. $240 is the fine. When can you pay it?
Está bien, lo voy a encontrar entonces a usted responsable de tener un recipiente de alcohol abierto en un vehículo en el lugar del pasajero, lo cual acarrea una multa de $240. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Entre 2 semanas.
In 2 weeks, Your Honor.
2 weeks. Pay it by, what is that? February the 20th. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, when do I come back?
Entonces tiene que volver el día 20 de febrero del 2026.
The 20?
You don't have to come back. You don't have to come back. You just need to make sure you pay it or it's going to go into warrant status.
All right.
Ok, señor, no tiene que volver, no tiene que volver. Tiene que asegurarse que ya usted lo pagó para el día 20 de febrero de 2026 en cualquiera de los kioscos DivDad que están alrededor de la ciudad, o puede bajar el app, la aplicación de DivDad en su teléfono y pagarlo por el teléfono en la aplicación, o puede ir en persona a la Corte 36 de Distrito y pagarlo en la taquilla.
Okay.
Ok, si usted no lo paga para esa fecha, entonces va a tener una orden de detención, pero no tiene que venir, solo tiene que pagarlo para ese día.
Okay,
Antes
sí
de
está
ese
bien.
día. Okay, yes, I understand.
No
It's
importa si
good.
pago a day after o antes, un temprano, like a day before the 20, like the 15, the 13. It's fine. I can pay like that.
Anytime before.
All right.
Cualquier fecha antes del 20.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a great day, sir.
All right. You too. Have a
Okay,
wonderful day.
señor. La mejor de las suertes para usted, que tenga un excelente día.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, thank you so much. If we need you, we'll give you a call. I think that's it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you,
All
Your
right.
Honor. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you.
We'll see you
Nice
later.
to see you all. Bye-bye.
Orlando Nathaniel Gray, Case numbers SP 1702868, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 182892211. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Gray
Rolando.
Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Rolando Gray.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is
Good
date and
morning.
times, pretrial. Mr. Berry, he's got another pretrial set for the 6th. We're gonna give it and consolidate all of these to make it like a one-stop shop for him. He's got an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled. Those, we'll consolidate those with the park closed. Mr. Gray, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right, very well. He's going to join the room, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
Pass the matter.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I haven't talked to a lawyer yet, and I've been right
I
here
know.
for a while.
Everybody has, Miss Ori. Didn't you hear what I said earlier? I'm trying to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible, and I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in. So there's an order, and I'm just going to get to you as soon as possible.
Okay.
Miss is Quishan Griffin here?
Yes, sir.
I want to take your hat off, sir. Do you have valid insurance, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please.
I have it on my phone.
Can you send it to me?
Yes, sir.
I'll put my email address in the chat. If you send it to me, then I can get you out of here. If it's if I can verify it, it's good.
Okay.
All right, I'll put it in the chat, sir. So if you take a screenshot and cut and paste it and copy it, we can get you out of here. And good morning to you. That'll put Miss Ori one above if you can get that together so we can hurry up. Good morning, sir. Come on up.
Payday.
Buenos dias.
You come up. You're here to make a payment on your tickets. You were downstairs.
He already made it.
No English.
He came in. That's Mr.
That's the receipt right there. Let's see.
Yeah. Guzman Ayala.
Yes. And
Despedido. Good. Good.
Okay.
yeah. What that mean, Judge?
Dismissed.
Oh.
Dismissed.
There you
Thank you, Robert.
All right. Have a great day. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.
I thought he was gonna say.
He can't speak any English. All right. All right, I'm still waiting on a lawyer.
And Your Honor, I just want to check in on Mr. Tawan Oliver at 9 a.m. If he
No,
hasn't.
that's
Okay.
not shown. It's the officers.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gore. Mr. Gore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, I didn't let you know that Mr. Gore is in payment plans with, oh, he did? All right. Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? The allowing or misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to November the 3rd, 2025 at around 12:32 p.m. City of Detroit area of Linwood and Pilgrim. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
You operating a motor?
Yes, I was.
Where the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Oh, yes, I did.
Pardon me?
It's invalid. Yes, I did show in my license.
It was invalid though, right?
Yes, that's when I found out. Yes, sir.
Find the client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 will be the fine with the stipulation of probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm marking the file allow payment plan, so you can either pay it off or you can include this in on your payment plan. Get it done by March the 2nd, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, come back March the 2nd. Let's see what you've done, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Laidler. Case numbers SP 180-8615, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Laidler.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. There is a driving while license revoked allegation as well. That's count 2 of that. I don't see why it didn't make the docket. But Mr. Laidler, somebody's gonna have to turn their background noise off. Please mute your phone. Mr. Laidler, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Was there a request for appointed counsel?
It was. I'm sorry. Can we find out who Mr. Laidler's attorney is? Go in there, we'll pass the matter and we'll get his attorney here. Let him know. Can you run his license, Lyons, Jaden Lyons, please? City of. Mr. Laidler, I'm gonna find out who your attorney is. You haven't had a call yet, have you?
No, sir. Nobody called me.
All right, I'm gonna pass it. We'll get him in there momentarily, or her. Let me call the city versus Jaden Adam Lyons. Case number SP 183-405. Strike that. SP 182-9038, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jaden Lyons.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lyons. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor.
SOS online.
SOS Online. Let's pass the matter. I guess it's Ms. Barrett. We're going to get Ms. Barrett back in here, Mr. Latler. I'm sorry. Is it Latler or Latler?
It's Latler. It's Latler.
Latler.
Excuse me.
Your Honor, were we checking the status of the license for Mr. Lyons?
Lion. Yes.
Right.
Barrett is zooming in right now.
All right, she's about to zoom in, Mr. Latler. I'm still waiting on that insurance documentation. Mr. Griffin. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5, Mr. Latler.
Expired, Judge.
Expired. There's no license for Lions.
Thank you.
All right, and Latler. I'm sorry.
Latler.
Latler.
Yeah. Yes.
I sent the email over about 3-4 minutes ago.
Didn't come through yet.
All right, I'll try to send it again.
You send it from the insurance company, it should come right through. You got to make sure that you copied the whatchamacallit right. There's a period between Sean period Perkins, so sometimes that gets mixed up. Ms. Barrett, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ladler. You've been appointed to his.
Oh, okay.
Huh? It's nasty. That isn't that green tea I get for the Arizona iced teas?
Oh, that's sweet. That's good, but without sugar and stuff.
He just wants sugar. Good taste to it.
I mean, it's okay.
Cause there's some teas that you can drink without sugar that's nasty.
They got benefits like that. But I said, no tea.
Yeah.
I said, well, I always think.
That one does too.
Yeah, it does. Now the Arizona.
A lot of fructose corn syrup. Yeah, which ain't nothing but table sugar, yeah.
Fructose corn syrup.
Like I done drunk 10 gallons.
20 gallons.
They make it like it's some kind of miracle or laxative or something.
I mean,
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons wants another pretrial date, Ms. Harris?
Yeah, sure. Well, if it's set for pretrial today, we can set it for trial.
Chance, I don't see it affecting him from getting a license. I'll give him a chance to go see if he can get a license.
Thank you.
Pretrial is February 17th, sir, at 8:30. Come back. Best of luck to you on getting that license. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it. So will the Zoom code be the same?
Yes, it will be.
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alexa J. Gardner. Strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Alexa J. Gardner. Case number SX 4627346, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Alexa J. Gardner, need to unmute yourself, start your camera, please, and state your name. All right, we'll pass that matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Corin Lee Lawrence. Case number SP 18457161. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
stop doing that.
Alexa Gardner.
Yeah, you just missed it, ma'am. Corwin Lee Lawrence. Unmute yourself, please. Press *6 to unmute yourself.
Can you tell me where his name is on the docket?
It's on the second page under arraignment. At 835 at the top, the second name down. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Alexis Gardner. Ms. Gardner, state your name for the record, please.
Alexa Gardner.
Alexa Gardner. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gardner, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter, please. Corwin Lawrence, you need to press *6 to unmute yourself. *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lawrence. All right, just sit tight.
I got it.
All right.
I got to use the restroom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Right here. It's up to you. I can just take this. Okay. Well, let me ask her something. I know she put your face in. Okay. I'll get her. Okay, it's to the back. I'll take that now. Okay.
Good morning, who's that? Hey, how are you? All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. She wants a bench trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back, Ms. Gardner, on February 17th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call City of Detroit versus Corwin Lee Lawrence, case number SP 184-57161. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence, please state your name.
Corwin Lee Lawrence.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lawrence, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there, Ms. Harris.
I don't have this name on my docket.
It's just driving while license suspended.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to being in the park when closed on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, and open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir? Mr. Gray, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand for me, please.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
Then you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November 29th, 2025 at around 4:56 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Connor and Rosemary. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid, strike that. Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I had a beer and a shot of tequila.
And was the beer or the shot of tequila open?
Yes, the beer was open.
And it was something in the container, correct?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger. Let me draw your attention back to November the 22nd, 2025, at around 12:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Parkview and Dwight Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And what's over there, sir?
I was down by the river.
Is that a city park?
I guess so, because it was right next to the Manugian Mansion. So yes.
I believe I can take judicial notice and know that that's a park down there, Mr. Berry.
Yes.
I think so too.
You were in that park
Yes, Your Honor.
at that stated time?
Yes.
I find them guilty. You know, the park's closed at 10, so it's really a strict liability offense. You're in the park after 10, then I find you guilty. So I'm only gonna fine you for being in the park, $240. I won't fine you for the open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. You're gonna get 2 points on your license anyway for that. $240. Pay it by May the 5th, 2026. You pay it and you don't get in any other trouble like that.
Yes.
Dismiss the $240, pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. May 5th is your next court date at 8:25. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. And if it's paid and you don't get any other trouble like that, okay?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
A very good rest of your day, sir.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Denise Leslie Green, case number SP1830469, counts 1 and counts 2. And if she wants to be heard on this, SP184498001. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Denise Green.
Morning to you, Ms. Green. Today is the date
Good
and
morning.
time set for a pre-trial. There's also a no insurance proof allegation that happened afterwards. She can either go to set a formal hearing for that. I don't think one was set, or you can take care of that as part of the deal today, Mr. Berry. In a breakout room, Ms. Green, Mr. Berry, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind,
Can
if
hardly
you
hear
don't,
you.
Ms. Green,
Yes, I can hear you now.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Corwin Lawrence. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Lawrence, it's my understanding you want a bench trial.
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on February 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Is Carlos Lopez there?
Judge, what was
Yes,
that?
Your Honor.
Say that again.
What was that date for Mr. Lawrence?
Mr. Lawrence was the 17th of February.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Lawrence, you're free to leave if you don't have any further questions.
Okay, I can hang up. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus, it says Lopez, Carlos Lopez. Case number SP 183-50171. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez, please state your name for the record.
Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
And there was an attorney requested.
Let me see. No.
Thank you.
Good. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's recall the City of Detroit versus Anthony D'Angelo Laidler, case number SP 1808615, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Anthony Laidler. Judge, there's a plea offer for him. He will be pleading on reduced charge on the suspension. It would be failure to display. For the disobey of the officer, it would be a 3-month delay, and the urinating in public will be dismissed. He wants to waive his rights and accept that.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Nobody taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to October 25th, 2025 at around 2:25 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Peter Hunt and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do that, could you?
No, sir.
So also, I'll find them guilty of this. And also, sir, the officer asked you, saw you urinating outside, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
and he asked you to come over. He asked you to walk over to his vehicle. He asked you to stop, did he not? And stop and you didn't comply, did you?
No, sir.
And why not?
I don't know, sir. I will
And
have
you
what
just
was going.
and you just drove off?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll find him guilty as charged. I wasn't gonna fine him the 240, but now that I read the allegation, now it's not even an allegation. He's out there urinating on the side of the building. He gets caught in the act, and the officer asks him to come to him and stop, and he jumps in his car and drives off. I'll find him guilty as charged to the disobeying an officer's lawful order and failure to display for not having a valid driver's license. Is going to be $240 a piece, 240 and 240. All right. I'm going to set a review date for May the 5th, 2026. That's the 3-month delay. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. So either pay it or pay it at the kiosk, or pay it in person and come back May the 5th. Don't get any other trouble like this. And I'll dismiss the disregarding officer's order. The other one is going to stay on your record. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you.
Which one gonna stay? Which one gonna stay on my record?
The failure to display.
But
Okay.
it's no points.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right, Ms. Barrett, have a good day. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. My understanding, you want an appointed attorney, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for February 17th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure you hear from that appointed attorney. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right.
You don't have any
And
further questions?
The
Yes.
court is at 17, you say?
The 17th of February at 8:30.
All right.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Quishon Griffin, case number SP 1732767, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 176-13922. Appearance for the record, please.
On behalf of Mr. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Keyshawn Griffin.
All right, Mr. Griffin, day is date and time set for a pretrial. He was, I have a valid license here for him. He was attempting to send me the insurance, but it never came through. I see
I
you
was able
got it
to
down.
view it. Yes.
We're able to view it. Case
Yes, Your
dismissed,
Honor.
for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Appreciate it, Judge. Have a good one.
You as well. Have a better one.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. That gets me down to Miss Ori. Finally, Miss Ori. This is the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Ori, case number SP 183-44161. Appearance for the record, please.
And Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ori, please state your name for the record.
Kimberly Ori.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Denise Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Green?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, come back on the 17th of February at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Green, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Same to you. Thank you so much.
City of Detroit versus Trayvon Maurice Goodwin. Case number SP 137-4747, count 1. SP 150-27991. SP 159-3950, counts 3. SP 183-4043, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Trayvon Maurice Goodwin, case number SX 438-37801. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodwin.
Trayvon Goodwin.
For purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Goodwin, he has 2 cases on the docket. You have your ink pen ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
The other ones are driver's license never acquired. Driver's license never acquired. No insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended. And drove while license suspended. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases on the docket. And then those are the 2 that were already on the docket. A drove while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Goodwin, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ori. Ms. Ori, you want a bench trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back. It's February 17th. Are you going to have yourself together by then? You have to unmute yourself, man.
Your Honor, we're just requesting a trial date, please and thank you.
All right, February 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, best of luck to you, Miss Ori. Have a very good rest of your day. February 17th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, City of Detroit versus Douglas Ray Green. Case numbers S027444, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11029071. SP 11202883, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11202886, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1291069-2, SP 1301508-1, SP 1620407-1, SP 1794743, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179-48141. State of Michigan versus Douglas Ray Green, case number SX 4604908, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Douglas Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for all the other matters are in warrant status, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Are not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. You have your ink pen ready, Ms. Harris?
Yes.
Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. Unregistered, untitled. Improper plates. No insurance misdemeanor. Open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver. License improper. Drove while license suspended. Drove while license suspended. Drove while license suspended, repeat offender. 11 to 15, expired plates, no insurance proof. Drove while license suspended. Drove while license suspended and driving on a cell phone. That I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cases into the record. I did count what was that one of those ones, the last one was the driving license suspended state matter. So he has these defaults for the expired plate. I mean, for the 11 to 15 over, expired plate, no insurance proof, and driving on cell phone. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the defaults aside, allowing them to be heard on it. If the city has no objection to it, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond and I'll recall the two, no insurance, one no insurance proof that I called into the record. He owes $288 on that. The other no insurance proof that I did not call into the record that's older, he owes $336 on that. And he has a couple of other civil infractions that I didn't call into the record. A limited access for $282 he owes, and another limited access for $282. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
We'll pass the matter.
So I guess I had to get a vet.
Nah, I ain't no sense of getting this. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to two failure to displays for.
All right, let me stop. Let me stop. Why don't you go get a license, sir?
My license I do have a license, it's suspended.
So you don't have a license. Why is your license suspended?
Because I gotta pay 2 tickets.
Because if he enters into this failure to display 2 times, Mr. Berry, he's not going to be eligible for a license. When are you going to pay those? You don't have anything to pay down here.
I don't.
Let me say that. Let me strike that. You do have something you owe down here, but nothing that you owe down here is affecting your ability to get a license. You have your tickets in another jurisdiction you know you have to pay?
Yes, Your Honor.
When are you going to be able to pay those?
Within the next month.
All right. And then you'll have a valid license then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back for a pretrial on March the 3rd, all right?
March 3rd, okay.
March the 2nd, I'm sorry, March the 2nd.
The 2nd, okay.
That's a Monday. Make sure you get that stuff taken care of. Pretrial March 2nd. Come back and we'll keep the offer open, all right? It may be a better offer if you bring a valid license, okay?
Okay, what time March 2nd?
At 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Berry, I just have one more, it seems like. What's the place in Southwest Detroit?
So will Madam Clerk have the opportunity to deal with that Douglas situation?
Yes. Miss Mathis, did you take care of that? Call the abstract clerk for that?
I sent an email.
She did send an email.
That's the only thing I can do.
Yeah.
Ganellas.
Ganellas.
You never been to Ganellas?
I've never been to Ganellas.
It's in Southwest.
Southwest Detroit?
Yes.
They got good subs.
Yeah. On Dix. On Oakwood. That's the one I thought. We were looking up. It had on the article the best, who is this Martez Garner? It had on the article the best subs in best hole in the wall sub places in each state. I thought they were going to list Ganellas, but they listed them in Oak Park.
This one has an ultimate pizza from Wall Lake, North Pontiac Trail.
All right, Mr. Martez Garner.
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you. Take your hat off, sir. What do you, because of this payment here, did you do community service?
No, I didn't know. I didn't hear that part clearly that I can take that option. What is it? It's 240 or is it one something?
It's 240.
240?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know I had the option to do community service.
Do you want to do community service?
Yes, I do community service.
12 hours of community service.
Okay, thank you.
I need a good phone number from you first, so I can get you in touch with the community service coordinator.
313 720 4049.
4049,
Yes, sir.
12-hour community service. Do you have an ink pen?
I can get one. I can get one. And please. Ready? I got some paper. I I'm ready.
313 96
96
5
5
8130.
8130.
That's Miss Sheldon and the community service people. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you for the 12 hours of community service. If you don't, I gave you the number, because if you don't hear from them in a week or so, then you can know how to get back in touch with us. You have the number to the court, but they should call you, answer the calls you don't recognize. Come back on March the 2nd. If those hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
All right, thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
And you're on the green file.
That's true.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Yes. No, I didn't.
And your Honor, just the ones with the line next to them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. All set, Your Honor. I'll let Ms. Harris know.
All right, thank you.
Okay, yep, thank you.
Did you bring your lunch there?
Yes.
What you bring?
I made a broccoli and then Alfredo.
That sounds good.
Samantha's serious about saving her money on that.
I ain't got nothing.
Don't blame her.
That could be
That's the problem.
I hear that. Join the club.
Right.
I used to have it together, but guess what? Got all bellied up. I better drink this green tea and lose this belly. That's why I help me. I messed up a few times. Kind of my fault.
Sugar and late eating.
So have we heard anything about Southwest Detroit docket, how things are?
Found a little bit more money, so.
Oh, good. Good.
How was your trip?
My gosh, it was amazing. Oh my goodness. It was nice.
It wasn't what?
Hmm?
How was it?
It was amazing. It was really
good.
nice.
I thought you were about to say it wasn't anything.
Oh no. Everything was top tier. Puerto Vallarta is beautiful. The views and just the culture and everybody. They're so nice. You know, as nice as a lot of the people come in on. That's what made me think about it on Wednesday and how pleasant typically a lot of the people that come in for that docket are. And I'm like, man, this just reminds me of everybody that logs in. It's just an overall really, really down to earth and pleasant. They really get into their job and they're just good people.
Yeah, well, you know, they're all their job, and I'm not saying that they're not pleasant people, ain't either, but their job is a service industry, and it depends upon them being, you know, very accommodating and cordial.
Absolutely. And so you automatically understand that, but it's almost like there's an enjoyment to it. I don't know, but it's like, because we were like exchanging numbers and we were even like becoming. So if it's just about the job, they do a very, very good job at just being down to earth with it. I'm like, hey, y'all are some masters at this.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's about the dollar signs too.
Yeah. It was we were there on the all-inclusive package, so it's likely, you know. I'm not saying that don't have something to do with it.
No.
Amazing. Yeah.
That's good.
From my husband being totally against going to Mexico, just with the climate of things, turned us totally around. Him specifically, like, man, we'll be back. And so we got a timeshare and everything. Like, they sold us really good.
That's good.
Good.
Sounds like an awesome trip.
Yeah. I don't have not one complaint. All the I's and T's were dotted and crossed.
Yeah, the timing was perfect because of what's going on around here.
And I was biting my nails because we got several messages from the airline, from Delta, like, yeah, likely your trip is going to be impacted or canceled. And the resort was like, well, sorry for y'all, because they weren't going to give us our money back. And so, yeah, they got like 3 different messages, texts and emails. And it was just like, oh, because of the storm, you know, was going to be on Sunday and we were leaving out on Monday. But wasn't any hiccup. So I was like, oh. So that was a great 50th experience.
That's beautiful.
Yes. Now trying to get my mind adjusted. It took a couple days.
Come back here for this cold weather.
Oh my God.
Let's go on my patio. I'm wondering if they don't leak into the house. So, let's see.
All right. How was the weather? Well, the weather was nice.
Every day. The weather was nice. 85 and sunny. No
Stop.
cloudy
I don't,
days.
I don't want to hear anymore. That's good. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right. Mr. Green, I'll give you a trial date of February 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Is there any way that I could go push that back a little further?
What do you need? What's the issue?
I don't think I'm gonna be in town.
And where do you plan on going?
I had a cruise booked in December, and I'm just worried about the Wi-Fi. That's all.
Where's the cruise?
Mexico. It's a couple different places. I had to check my email.
Should I let him go?
If you ask me, Judge, I'm gonna say, yeah, I just came back. It was nice.
Yes, you should. Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting permission to be able to travel.
All right. All right. March the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Green.
That's perfect.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. I hope we hear some good stories about, like you just missed Miss Williams' law story about Mexico. She had an awesome time. So I hope you had the same time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, March 2nd, 9 a.m.